The next practical for digital electronic subject is to realize the multiplexer and demultiplexer. Multiplexer is it will have receive the multiple signals and will produce the output over a single channel, means any of the input will be processed and will be given over a single output channel, whereas the demultiplexer is it will receive the combination of signals or collection of signals from a single channel and will separate it over the next number of channels. So the very first circuit is 4:1 multiplexer, means 4 inputs will be given and 1 output will be generated. So here are the 4 inputs given, D0, D1, D2 and D3. They will be transferred to this circuit and the output will be generated over this single channel, that is Y. So like if we supply D0, D0 means A is 0 and B is 0. So they will be first inverted by using this NOT gate. D0 means 1 will be there, 1 will be goes to this B and 1 will goes to this. So AND operation is there, all the inputs are 1. So signal will be generated and this signal will be odd here and we will get the output that D0 signal is being generated. So like all these inputs will be given over a single output channel only. The results of all the inputs will be given over a single output channel. The next circuit is 1:4 demultiplexer, means 1 input will be given and the 4 outputs will be there. So this is the input D. Now A and B will be supplied as per the value of D is given and we will get the results over here in Y0, Y1, Y2 or Y3. So like if the value of D is 2, so for 2 we will have A is 1 and B is 0. So see, the signal will goes to this AND operation. A is 1 and B is 0, its value is inverted, so B is again B bar. So signal is A, B bar and D2, which is 1, and this will produce the output that 2 value is given to the D. Similarly, if we supply D3, so 1 and 1 will be given, D will be the data and Y3 will get us the result. So students, now let's demonstrate it on the kit of multiplexer and demultiplexer. So students, this is the kit that we will use to implement the circuits of multiplexer and demultiplexer. So this is a 16:1 multiplexer and demultiplexer. That means 16 inputs will be given and single output will be there whereas from that particular single output that will be supplied to the demultiplexer and it will convert it into the single output lines. So these are the data inputs from where we will supply the input. So out of these data inputs, it will be converted to the binary decimal, and whenever we will enable that particular binary number, the output will be given over here. And for demultiplexer, we will connect these orange points with the wire and the same will be output over here. So that means if the D0 is applied, so at this point this light LED will glow up if that particular decimal number will be supplied over here. That will be seen in the demo. And then that in demultiplexer that LED will glow up, symbolizes that 0 is applied and 0 is being given. That means at this point the signals will be multiplexed, whereas at this point we will get the output of demultiplexer. So I have switched on this multiplexer circuit kit. So when I will supply D0, so now see here that 0, 0, 0, A0 to A3 all are 0. So this LED will glow up. That means that all these signals will be moved towards this output LED. That means this is giving us the output that the binary form of this 0 is 0, 0, 0 and 0. And see, if I will supply D1, so that LED will not glow up because this is not the exact circuit Now for D1 we will have 0, 0, 0 and 1. So after I will implement the 1 to A0, this LED will glow up. Similarly for D3, for this D3, this again that LED will be in switched off mode. So for D3 the 4-digit binary number will be 0, 0, 1 and 1. So see that LED will glow up. So this is the implementation of multiplexer. Let me do one term again. So for D8 that binary form will be 1, 0, 0 and 0. So see again the LED will glow up. So for D15 the output will be, or the binary form will be 1, 1, 1 and 1. So again see that LED will glow up, that means it is multiplexing the signals over here. This is the enable switch that will enable the circuit of multiplexer and demultiplexer. Now to implement the demultiplexer we will simply connect this output to this input and see the 15 is supplied, same signal is there, and if I will change one of its binary form, that both the LEDs will be switched off. So that means 15 is supplied and 1, 1, 1 and 1 is there. So here it is correcting the signal, and then this Q15 is there, that means that 15 will be supplied as input. So again if I supply D10, for D10 we will have 1, 0, 1, 0. So again that will tell us that this signal supplying is correct, and again at this point at demultiplexer Q10 will be glown up. Similarly, just take another example. For D7 we will have 0, 1, 1 and 1 in the binary form. So this is 0, 1, 1 and 1. Again the LEDs will glow up, that means 7 is supplied, it is multiplexed over here, and it will represent that signal is correct, and then in the demultiplexer it is giving us whatever the input is being supplied. So this is how we will implement or realize the circuit of multiplexer over a given kit.